A place so beautiful that from a distance, it feels like a dream. But once you enter it, you don't come back. And the scariest part, you won't even realize when it starts killing you. That place is Saturn. At first, everything looks peaceful. Floating in the darkness of space, Saturn shines like a jewel. Its golden color, its massive rings, everything about it feels calm, safe, almost welcoming. If you were traveling through space, you might even think, this is the most beautiful place I've ever seen. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. Because Saturn doesn't look like a threat, it doesn't act like one either. There are no explosions, no sudden chaos, just silence. As you move closer, something changes. Not around you, but within your path. Saturn's gravity begins to pull you in, slowly at first, almost unnoticeable, but then stronger and stronger, until turning back is no longer an option. You try to escape, increase speed, change direction, but it doesn't matter, because now you belong to Saturn. And then you cross the point of no return. There is no surface waiting for you, no land, no ocean, just a massive, endless atmosphere. You enter it. At first, nothing happens. No impact, no crash, just a soft descent into clouds. But those clouds are not like Earth's. They're thick, heavy, violent. Hydrogen, helium, unknown compounds. The winds begin. At speeds over 1,800 kilometers per hour, they slam into you from all directions. Your body, or your spacecraft, starts shaking uncontrollably. You try to stabilize, but there's nothing to hold on to, nothing to fight against, because here, there is no solid ground. Above you, rings of Saturn continue their silent dance. From far away, they looked elegant, but up close, they are a field of destruction. Millions of ice fragments, rocks the size of mountains, all moving at extreme speeds. One collision, and you wouldn't even have time to react. Deeper now, the light begins to fade. The pressure starts to rise. At first, it feels like weight, then force, then something else, something your body was never meant to experience. Your structure begins to compress. Every second, the pressure doubles. You are still falling, still sinking, still alive, for now. And far above, at the North Pole, Hexagon Storm on Saturn watches silently. A perfect geometric storm. 6 sides. Unnatural. Almost designed. It has been there for decades, maybe centuries. No one fully understands why it exists or how it stays so perfectly stable. But one thing is certain. If you were inside it, you wouldn't survive long enough to question it. If you're still watching, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because what you're about to realize changes everything you thought about this planet. Now here's the truth. Saturn is not dangerous in the way you expect. It doesn't destroy you instantly. It doesn't burn you alive. It doesn't explode. Instead, it gives you time. Time to fall. Time to feel. Time to realize you're not in control anymore. And by the time you understand what's happening, it's already over. You don't land. You don't escape. You don't even stop falling. You just disappear into the endless depths of Saturn. And that's the secret. The real reason why Saturn is the most dangerous planet is not because of what it does, but because of how quietly it does it.